Alright, so here we have problem 9, solving trig equations, and I want to find all the solutions from 0 to 2 pi. So here I have 4 sine x cosine x equals 1. Now what to do here? Well, I can't set sine x equal to 1 and cosine x equal to 1. Okay, we can only do that when it's a 0 here. So somehow I need to try to get this sine of something or cosine of something. Well, if you recall, one of your double angle identities says that sine 2x is equal to 2 times sine x times cosine x. Okay, well, if you notice, this is 2 sine x cosine x, and I have 4 sine x cosine x. Well, the 4, we could just take that and write that as 2 times 2, and then sine x cosine x equals 1. And so now we look at this, and that's going to be 2, and then see this is just sine 2x equals 1. Divide both sides by 2, so I get sine 2x equals 1/2. Alright, so now we have sine is equal to 1/2. Okay, and we want to find all the solutions from 0 to 2 pi. But remember, this is for x between 0 and 2 pi. What do we have? We have 2x. So I would need to multiply all of these by 2. Okay, and so there's my 2x, and there's my 2x. So I need to find all the solutions between 0 and 4 pi. So to do that, well, there's 0, there's pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi. So if I go around one time, that's from 0 to 2 pi. And then if I go around again, that would be 4 pi. So I've got to go around twice. But what we can do is, let's just concentrate right now on going around one time. Okay, and then we'll look at it going around twice. Alright, so I've got sine is equal to a positive number. So that tells me my solutions in the first and second quadrant, because that's where sine's positive. So that gives me 2x is equal to, well, that's what, 30 degrees? So that would be pi over 6. That's my first quadrant solution. And it's also, if you watch the other videos, that's also my reference angle. But in this case, the reference angle is also a solution because the sine is equal to positive. Okay. Now let's look for the second quadrant angle. So the second quadrant angle there's x. Here's my reference angle, pi over 6. So x is going to be pi minus pi over 6, which that will give me 5 pi over 6. Alright, so that's 5 pi over 6. Alright, so we've gone around once. Well, we've got to go around again. Well, remember, at the beginning of trig, you learned about coterminal angles. So another solution would be to go here and then go all the way back around. Okay, and see, I would land here. They have the same terminal side, just different degrees of rotation. So I've gone around once, and then I've gone around once, got this, and this when I went around one time, and so I'm back to, I went around once and I'm back to here. So now I need to go around again. Well, there's a solution. So it's going to be this angle plus 360, which in this case is 2 pi. So all you have to do is, once you go around one time and find all of those, and it's 2x, you've got to go around one more time. So all you have to do is add pi over 2 to this one and pi over 2 to this one. And if this were 3x, you would just add pi over 2 again. I'm sorry, not pi over 2, 2 pi. You would add 2 pi and add 2 pi again. Just however many times you go around, that's how many times you're going to add 2 pi. Alright? So for, let's get rid of this. Alright, so for the first quadrant angle, there's my pi over 6. So I'm going here and I'm going all the way around again. So pi over 6 plus 2 pi, that is going to be 13 pi over 6. So that's 13 pi over 6. And then for the next one, for this one, my second quadrant angle, I've gone here, so I'm going to go around again. So you can see I go here and then I'm adding 2 pi. So 5 pi over 6 plus 2 pi, that is going to be, what is that, 12, 5, 17 pi over 6. So that is 17 pi over 6. Alright, so we went around twice. So that's all my solutions from 0 to 4 pi. But notice here we have 2x. We need x. So I need to get rid of this 2. So I can just multiply everything by 1/2, and see, that'll cancel the 2's out. So I would get x is, and then I have to multiply each of these by 1/2. So that would be pi over 12, 5 pi over 12, 13 pi over 12, and 17 pi over 12. And there's my solution. Alright, so hope this video helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I would check out the other videos of solving these equations. It would help you to watch them all, because I try to hit everything that you come across. Alright, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out my other videos. Alright, thanks.